Okay, so I showed you last time on rod doing stuff, I showed you the fire kit. So this time I'm going to show you how we use the fire starters and stuff in the fire kit. Some of my homemade fire starters, and show you how they work. So I'll bring you in closer and we'll show you how wax coated jute works. So if you take this, kind of pull it apart, spray the ends of these out a bit with your knife, blow it away, about like that. Just start right up, and they'll burn for quite some time. If you want to with them, you can actually, they're a 3/8 jute, you could actually twist these like that, and you can pull them into 4 separate strands and use it that way. So you can use a smaller strand, or you can use it in a bigger strand like that and let it burn. And like I say, they burn pretty good. You can see the wind's blowing now and they're still burning pretty decent. So that's that one. You've also got just your standard cotton ball, which you can put some Vaseline on. Just cut that open. Take that, fluff it up a bit, like so. Some of your small amount of your Vaseline on there and work it into it. Get your fire still. And there's that one. You can see that lights up relatively easy. With that Vaseline on there, it'll burn for some time. See, this one's still burning. The wind might blow it out there eventually, but it's still burning for the time being. The next one we got is this one here, which is a wax coated cotton ball. And what you do with those, you just tear that open like so and kind of fluff it up. So the outside's wax coated, but the inside isn't. That's to make it so that it'll actually light. If you soak these in wax to where they're soaked up, they won't light. There you go. There again, that will burn for quite some time. So, up next, we have the Weber lighter cube. These are similar to the wet fire tinder. If you take your knife on these and just make some shavings, if you keep the wind away from it for long enough. You see that just goes up like crazy. That's why I say you only need half of one of these. They'll burn for a long time. Okay, so while those are burning out, move them off to the out of the way here, making a mess. I'll just flip them off there. There's a water on the ground because it snowed this morning. I'll just let those go out. So, show you the flint and steel here. So if we take our little bit of jute, we'll cut some off of here. Make this into a bird's nest here. So just keep pulling it apart. About like so. That ought to do it. Set that there to the side for a minute. Get our flint here. Get our striker. See if we can get a spark on this. See? That's what I like about that char rope. See, is I don't even need that much. I can break that off right there. And that's hot as can be. I just put that in there. Burn it away forward. Should have had more in there. There we go. Burn my fingers. But anyway, you can see how that char rope, it's still right there. It's still got a nice hot ember in it. So it works really well. I like it a lot better than char cloth. Seems to hold the ember a lot better on it. But that's our video for today. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, give us a thumbs up, and make a comment. Thanks.